Hi fam, Josawa here again, your mentor with another tutorial. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to guide you, I'm going to explain all you need to know about what market structure. Okay, you're going to know what market structure is, the type of market structure, and how to use and identify market structure, how to basically what enter for a trade and when to what exit a trade. This and more is what you are going to learn if you stay with me till the end of this particular video. So firstly, what is market structure? Okay, market structure. Okay, market structure basically serves as what a guide, understanding what the up, down, and sideways trend of the market. This basically shows you how the market move, how who is currently in control of what the market. Are the buyers in control, or are the sellers in control, or is just like what equal? All right, like what equal, which means like, for example, we have 10 buyers, we have what 10 sellers. Okay, and so that's basically what we mean by what market structure. You can basically use market structure for all what markets. All right, whether you use for stock, futures, forex, commodities, or even what digital assets such as cryptocurrency or physical assets such as what real estate. All right, so there are basically three types of what market structure. We have what the bullish. Okay, we have what bullish, we have what bearish. Okay, we have bearish, and we have what the two-sided. Okay, we have two-sided what structure. There are basically three types of what market structure. So now we are going to talk about what them one after the other, and I'm going to explain one after the other step by step. Okay, so market structure basically shows you who is in control of the market or how the market is currently moving, telling you who is currently in control of what the market. Are the buyers in control? For there to be trading, you must have a buyer and what a seller. So are the buyers in control at that particular moment, or are the sellers in control? Okay, so let's talk about what the bullish, all right, market structure. The bullish market structure. So the bullish market structure is basically what when what the buyers are in control. When we say bullish, it means like what the market is what pumping up. Okay, when we say bullish, the market is pumping up. The opposite is what bearish, when the market is what dropping down. So what we have what the bullish market structure, BMS. All right, so the bullish market structure is what when the market is forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, higher highs and what higher lows. What do I mean by this? Let's say now you are seeing the market doing this. This is what higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is what bullish structure. This is what a bullish structure. At the top here is what your higher high. Okay, these are what the higher high. This was your higher high, and the bottom is what your higher low, and what this is what higher low. What does this basically mean? Okay, I'll explain now in a simple way so we all can understand. So this means what the buyers came in, they pushed the price up, okay, but they got tired at this particular point. Then what happened? The sellers pushed the market back down, but they were also what tired, okay, they got what exhausted. Then what the buyers came in, pushed the market right up, all right, higher compared to what this first one. This is what our higher high. Okay, so they push the market right up, but they also got tired. Then the buyers push again, and what the sellers came in again and push up again. So which means what the more these buyers are coming in, they're having more power. This shows like what the buyers are in control of what that particular market. So the sellers push again and the buyers push again up. Okay, so if you look here, this is going to be your higher high, your higher high, higher high. Okay, this is going to be what your higher high, and this is what our what higher low, higher low, higher low. So the higher low is basically called what support. Okay, and the higher high is called what resistance. The higher high is called what resistance. The higher low is called what support. So higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So now in this particular case, this is what higher low. This is what our higher high. So this basically means what? The buyers came in. When the buyers came in like this, what? They pushed the market up. The sellers came in, they pushed the market down. The buyers came in again, pushed the market up. Sellers came in, pushed the market down, but they were tired. Then the buyers came in and what? Pushed the market up. When you basically see a what structure like this, it shows you one thing: the buyers are in control. In this type of market, you want to be looking for what? A buy trade. You want to be going long or you want to be going for buy trade. You can. This is just the same for forex, crypto, and all other financial markets. Okay. So now this bottom here, this is our higher low. This is our higher low. This is also called support. Okay. So if you just draw what your trend line, okay, this is what your support, and this is at the top here is what your resistance. So you want to take what? Buy trade at the support, and you want to take sell trade at what? The resistance. Okay, you want to take what? Buy trade at the support, and you want to take what? Sell trade at what? You look this here. This is our resistance. This is where you want to be taking sell trade. Okay, and this is what our support. The support area is where you want to take what? Buy trade. Okay, because when the price is in our higher low, what happened? The buyers are pushing the market up, but when it's in our high, the market is what? Dropping down. The sellers are pushing it up. So this is what the first type of what? Market structure. I'm going to show you this on a live chart shortly. Let's just go to the next one, which is what? The bearish structure. Okay, the bearish market structure. This shows like what? The sellers are in control and they are pushing the price down. For you to identify what? A bearish market structure, you want to see lower low and lower high. What do I mean by this? This is lower low. The sellers came in, pushed the market up, and they were tired at this point. The buyers came in, pushed the market a little bit. This is our lower high, and this is our lower low again. Then the buyers came in again, push a little. The sellers came in, push a little. So this is basically what we mean by what? Our bearish market structure. So the price was here. The sellers came in, they pushed the market right down. This is what? Our lower low. But they got tired at this particular point. The market is never going to be in control of what? Just the buyers or the sellers. It's going to be what? Fluctuating. Okay, so the sellers pushed the price down here, then they got tired. What? The buyers came in and what? Just pushed the market right up here. So this is what? Our lower high. Okay, this is what? Our lower high. Okay, and what? The sellers entered again, they pushed the market right down. So now let's say at this particular first lower low, it was $5. Now they pushed the market up towards $4. Okay, the sellers pushed the price up towards $4. They are pushing the market down, down, down. Okay, and what happened? They got tired at this particular point again, which is $4. And what? The buyers came in, pushed the markets a little bit up, but they were also what? Tired, and the sellers came in, push. So from $4, let's say the price moved to what? $2. So when you basically see this kind of structure, this is called what? A bearish structure, which means in this type of what structure, you only want to be entering for what? Your sell trade. You want to be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, you are going to be looking for what? Sell opportunities. So let's come to the final type of market structure. As I mentioned, we basically have what? Three type of market structure. We have what we call the sideways market structure. The sideways market structure. This is also called what? Choppy market. The market is ranging in consolidation and all. Okay, there are different names. So you can say what? Sideways market, or if you get to hear people saying what? This is a ranging market or a choppy market, they are all what? The same. Wow, in order to get this what? Market structure, this type of market structure is what? Where the buyers are equal and the sellers are also what? Equal. Okay, so this is what? The buyers came in, pushed the price up. The sellers came in, pushed the price back down. The sellers came in, buyers came in, pushed the price up. Sellers push the price down, buyers push the price up, sellers push the price down. So you are seeing like what? An horizontal movement, okay, of price. Okay, so this is basically when the markets form equal high. At this top here, this is what? Equal high, equal high. So this high here all are just the same. The sellers are what? The buyers are just pushing the price. Let's say this price here is $5. So whenever the market move, they push the price up to this $5, and the sellers are what? Pushing the price. So this one is what? Equal low, equal low. Okay, the equal high is also called what? Resistance, and the equal low is also called what? Your support. Okay, the equal low is also called what? Your support. Okay, so equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low. So this at the bottom here is your equal low, which is also called support, and this at the top here is your equal high, which is also called what? Resistance. You want to be taking what? Buy trade at the support, and you want to be taking what? Sell trade at what? The resistance. Okay, so these are the three type of market structure that we have. All right, I'm going to show you now on live charts. So now, how to use what? This market structure. How do you know a market structure is firstly changing? Now let's look at this. This is the bullish market structure: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, so now the market form what? Another higher high. We are expecting to what? Form another higher low like this, and the market goes up. But this time it what? Changes. After forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, it was supposed to form what? Another higher low. But this time the market drop. When the sellers push the price, it breaks this what? Recent low. Okay, so as soon as it breaks this recent low, all right, and it form what? Lower low, it form a lower high. It means like what? This is not what? A bullish structure anymore. I'll repeat again. In situations like when like what? This is what? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So you are expecting to get a what? Higher low, but now the market break. Okay, this was our recent low. Okay, now our recent low has been broken. Now after this one, the market, the candle price just break like this, and you see what? A lower high like this. Okay, so we have what? This our lower low. We start forming what? Lower high, and you see what? Another lower low again. Okay, so this basically tells you like what? This is not an uptrend anymore, but now this is what? A downtrend. Okay, this is what? A bearish structure, because the market was moving, but now they have break what? Our recent low. So now we have formed what? Lower low, and this is our lower high. So we are forming now another lower low again. What are you expecting to form? Another lower high, lower low. So the market was what? In an uptrend, but now as what? Reversed again. We are now forming what? Another trend. So you might also see something like when the market is forming higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and you can see what? The market starts ranging. This is what? The sideways market. So if you are seeing what? Higher high, higher low, all of a sudden now you are seeing equal low, equal high. Okay, so you can basically see like what? The market forming what? This bullish structure all of a sudden is going towards sideways market or ranging market, and you can basically see at the end of the day it either goes up or it break again to form what? A downtrend. Okay, so now all what I've explained, let me just show you guys on the chart. Let us open the BTC chart. Let's open the BTC chart. So now you can basically see, all right, you can basically see this is what? Lower low. Okay, now BTC is trying to form what? A lower high. Okay, let's go back here. You see, so you can basically see this is what? Our lower low, lower high. So this was supposed to form what? This is what? Another what? This is our low. Okay, if let's say price breaks down here and drops, this was going to be lower low, right? But now we have what? Lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, but now this is not lower low, this is what? Another lower high. So the market is like what? Ranging from this point. Okay, you see the market was ranging until like what? Now we have what? Another what? Low here again. So you see after this low, what happened? The price break what? This our recent low. This was our recent low. The price break, and what happened? The market what? Dropped to the downside immediately. Okay, the market was dropped to the downside immediately. Let's look at another and chart again and see. Like this is what? Zao. Okay, this is Zao. This is gold. We have what? Higher high, higher low. Okay, this is what? An uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So you can basically say as soon as you see something like this, you know what? This is what? A bullish structure. Okay, this is what? A bullish structure, because what? The seller buyers came in, pushed the price up, the sellers pushed the price down a little. The buyers came in again, pushed the price up. The sellers came in, pushed the price down a little. Now the buyers have pushed the price. What are you expecting now? We are expecting to get what? Another what? A lower low again. Okay, lower high again, and the market what? Move to the upside. But let's say in this situation, like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then the price drops and breaks this our lower low, and it starts forming what? Lower. So this lower low now, this is lower high, which means this is what? No more an uptrend. The market is what? Reversing. Okay, the market is what? Reversing. All right, as you guys can basically see. Let's go again to another pair. Let's open the chart of what? Ethereum. Okay, so you can see this. As soon as you see this, you are basically seeing what? Lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. You are trying to see what another lower high. So as soon as you can basically see this, you can see like what the market is what? Dropping. Okay, market structure is what? Very, very, very important. When you are able to identify what the structure of the market, this can go, help you to what? Enter for what? A buy trade or what? A sell trade. Okay, it can help you to enter for what? A buy trade or a sell trade. This is UJ, USD, JPY, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So you can see all what I've been explaining makes now a whole lot of sense. You need to know what? Market structure. So in upcoming tutorials, I'm going to explain about what? Market analysis, how you can do what? Market analysis, how you can analyze the market more before placing what? Your trade. Okay, if you find value in this video, kindly ensure to subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like this video, share this video, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I promise to respond within 24 hours. And you can also join our Telegram community. It is completely free using the link in the description of this video. Okay, just use the first link, join our Telegram. I'm live every Sunday where we meet different traders and we come like highlight different issues and find possible solutions towards this problem, from risk management and other related issue. Thanks a lot, guys. This is basically what I have for you today. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone.